Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can block people from viewing your story on Snapchat. So it's pretty simple. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So yeah, to block people from viewing your Snapchat story. So basically if you guys someone to not watch your Snapchat story, but like you just want them to not watch your Snapchat story. You don't want like block them from calling you, messaging you or anything, just your Snapchat story. You guys can follow these steps to block the person from viewing only your Snapchat story. So yeah, let's start the video, and yeah, watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can do it. And yeah, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button if you guys are new to this channel, because it helps our channel to grow, and you guys can also get notified once our new video releases. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So first thing first, when you're in Snap, just like click on your Bitmoji at the top. Once you click on your Bitmoji, you want to click on your setting icon. Once you're on your setting, you can scroll down until you see over here, just like me, view my story. You can click on view my story. Now over here it's on friends only, or if it is selected on anything, you can click on custom. Once you click on custom, select the name of the person whom you don't want to see your Snapchat story. So let's say I don't want Abhinav Timla to see my Snapchat story. I can just click on his name. I don't want Suega Adhikari to see my Snapchat story. I can just click on their name, and after crossing the name of the person whom I want to block from viewing my Snapchat story, I can click and I can just go back. And after that, basically those people who I just selected won't be able to see my story. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And yeah, you guys can just do the same stuff, go to the same setting, and like just click on the person's name if you want to unblock them from viewing your story. And once the cross mark is removed, they should be able to watch your story again. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can drop it in the comment. I'll answer you guys. So yeah, have a nice day everybody.